In this video overview, we're going to take a look at Inksoft's functionality that will allow you to quickly create gorgeous art approvals, quotes, invoices, and most importantly, sales presentations sure to impress any of your clients or prospects. Now, this is one area that you can do all of those things I mentioned. Whether it be an art approval or whether it be a quote or an invoice or converting a quote into an invoice, Inksoft handles it all. So let me take you through some of the key features that makes these tools so unique. First and foremost, when you log in, you have access to a very simple dashboard that represents all of your sales activities. And in this case, there's just 3 columns to represent those activities. New, and that might be a draft state. Maybe you're creating some product ideas and product mock-ups to present to a client, but you haven't yet sent to the customer. So it will live in the new column. Now, once you've finalized and you've sent a presentation or an invoice to a client, it will live in the in-progress state where you can manage communication and collaboration with the customer, make edits and changes to get to a final approval and payment state. Now, of course, that final state is the done column. And of course, clients can pay, approve, make payment on a deposit or pay in full. That can all be controlled within this tool. Now, let's talk about the process of creating a new whether it be art approval, quote, or invoice or sales presentation. I'm simply going to click the button that says Create. And here I'm going to get a blank canvas where I can organize all of the information that's important. So I can add the customer or the prospect. I can search the existing Inksoft customer relationship management tool, and I can select an existing customer, or I can create a brand new one and record that inside of Inksoft. Now I have the ability to notate the name of this campaign, the in-hands date, all the critical information that me and my team will need to successfully manage this sales campaign. So whether it be shipping or payment details, all of that can be added here now or later. And I can even edit all of that information. Now let's focus in on the ways that you'll start to build your presentation, whether it be an invoice or an art approval. There's some key functionality here. So I can click Add Art to simply upload logos or even embroidery files. And if I upload art and save and send, well, it behaves as an art approval. Now, I have some other controls here, like the ability to add custom line items. So if you already have a product mockup and you just want to build a quick ad hoc product, you can do that using the custom line item functionality. You can even monetize different services in your business. Now, savvy Inksoft customers will actually add a menu of different reusable services. They'll add those to their invoices or sales presentations, but then they'll add a special discount to show the client that they're adding value. And that helps you maintain your profitability on products by adding some of these freemiums. Now, here's my favorite function that's available here. It's the Add Product option. Now, Add Product will allow you to leverage your entire product database, any product you've ever created inside of Inksoft, so you can quickly do reorders. But you can also filter and just really focus in on your blank products, and you can build virtual product mockups using this tool set. So that said, I can select a product, and then I have the ability to make a selection here, whether I want to upload art, I want to estimate the art price, and you can quickly create sales presentations by radically reducing the time it takes to mock up and create those product presentations. Now let's take a look at a complete sales presentation that I've already built out. So you can see I can organize by apparel, by office gear. So you're in full control over the placement and the position and the hierarchy of your presentation. But here I have very simple controls to now send this to my client. And there's really 2 ways that you can send a presentation to a client, either as an approval. So if you're dealing with a prospective client and you're pitching and presenting to them, an approval is the best way to present virtualized product ideas and to present. Now, if you're just doing a simple reorder and you just want to invoice your client and get paid, you have that option as well. So you can select whatever presentation, view, and layer is appropriate. So quick and easy way to, again, manage all of your sales activities. Let's take a look at a presentation. So you can see here, Inksoft will deliver the presentation via email, and clients will be greeted with a mobile responsive, gorgeous presentation. And of course, you can choose to send as an invoice, and your clients will get access to a web-based, mobile responsive invoice where they can choose to pay online. So with that said, Inksoft is going to allow you to quickly accelerate the sales process by getting all the tools you'll need to get artwork approved, quotes and invoices approved, and of course the ability to pitch and present with sales presentations. Now, if you want to know more about these tools or any of the other tools that are in Inksoft, make sure to reach out to an Inksoft expert where we can conduct a personalized product tour just for your business.